Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Best tips: how to get rid of unwanted odors in your kitchen. No matter how many times you mop, scrub, and clean, the stenches of everyday life are inevitable. As long as you cook, play, and live, they'll be there. With the right natural remedies, you can banish questionable smells for good. Follow this guide to get rid of kitchen odors once and for all. Number 1. Trash. Sometimes it's not the actual trash that smells, it's the trash can itself. Clean it by sprinkling in baking soda. Then spray it with a disinfecting spray to kill bacteria. Number 2. Refrigerator. Nothing beats the aroma of a freshly cooked dinner. Unless it's mixed with the one from the night before. Absorb odors by storing an open box of baking soda in the fridge and freezer. Double wrap pungent foods and store leftovers in containers with secure lids. Number 3. Dishwasher. How often do you clean your dishwasher? Yeah, we thought so. One a month. Use a dishwasher cleaning tablet. Unless you're one of those families that runs their dishwasher daily, always rinse dirty dishes before placing in the dishwasher to prevent food from sticking and smelling. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 4. Microwave. You cook basically everything in your microwave: soups, leftovers, you name it, which means there are a million smells circulating in a very confined space. Get rid of lingering smells by boiling 1 quart of water with lemon slices for several minutes. Be sure to wipe out any stuck-on bits of food and leave the door open so that your clean microwave can air out. Number 5. Cutting boards. Obviously, sanitizing cutting boards is a no-brainer, but even that doesn't always keep strong onion and garlic smells at bay. To freshen up, stick plastic cutting boards in the dishwasher. For wood cutting boards, scrub them with a lemon half dipped in salt. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find how to make a homemade hand sanitizer with essential oils. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.